Hello everyone, welcome to our latest video on voice search optimization updates for 2023. In this video, we will discuss the latest trends, strategies, and techniques for optimizing your website and content for voice search. So, let's dive into it. Number 1. The rise of voice search. Voice search has been on the rise for a few years now, and it's expected to continue growing in 2023. According to a recent study, over 50% of all online searches will be voice-based by 2023. So, it's crucial to optimize your website and content for voice search to stay ahead of the competition. Number 2. Conversational content. With the rise of voice search, it's critical to create conversational content that is easy to understand and answers user queries. The content should be structured in a question-answer format and use natural language to increase the chances of appearing in voice search results. Number 3. Local SEO. Voice search is mostly used for regional queries, such as finding nearby restaurants, shops, or services. Therefore, optimizing your website for local SEO is crucial for voice search optimization. You should include your business name, address, and phone number on your website and also optimize your Google My Business profile. Number 4. Mobile optimization. Most voice searches are done on mobile devices, so it's key to have a mobile-friendly website. Make sure your website is responsive and loads quickly on mobile devices to provide a better user experience. Number 5. Schema Markup. Schema Markup is a code that helps search engines understand the content of your website. By using Schema Markup, you can provide more detailed information about your website to search engines, which can help improve your website's visibility in voice search results. Number 6. Voice search optimization tools. There are several tools available for voice search optimization, such as Answer the Public, SEMrush, and Google's Voice Search API. These tools can help you find relevant keywords and create content that is optimized for voice search. In conclusion, optimizing your website and content for voice search is crucial to staying ahead of the competition in 2023. By creating conversational content, optimizing for local SEO, and using voice search optimization tools, you can improve your chances of appearing in voice search results. This will increase your website's visibility. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.